or the cuticles or underneath the nails. There's the beads that you need. And then I will turn mine to like about 12,000 RPM. And I was just doing it right here. You can do wherever you would like to. Give it a pressure and it already does the house for you. All right. And you guys going to insert your super cute charms on. Make sure you finish with the nails first before you do anything else. Could be underneath. Wait a minute. All right, the nails have to hold tight right there. Fabulous. So now, before we finish, I'm going to using precision glue gels. And I'm gonna seal this one. Flash key for 30 seconds. I'm just close that. Just hold it and key for about 30 seconds. Flowers to match. Yes. Ocean and fruit. Flowers. And then we do another one. I'm going to get another link right there. To make sure that it got sealed as well as another link right here. Because you don't want, the purpose of that precision glue gel will does for you, it will prevent from catching on the hair or catching on the clothes and anything else. All right, so key again. Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Hi Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube viewer. Welcome, welcome. Happy Thursday. I'm so excited to have you today, and thanks so much for tuning in. So this looks really good. And then for the flowers, I am going to using a precision glue gels and then go in around the base of the super adorable flower. I do not know which one you get. I'm so excited to see which one you are getting. And then I'm gonna seal on the top of all that super cute beads right here. Is already special, is built on that 3D handcrafted flowers. Every single month you get your subscription box with beautiful handcrafted flowers or charm, which is butterflies, bows, or flower roses, sunflowers, and so many others. So all right, so I am going to seal this one. Great.